Most people believe you need thousands of dollars to start investing. But what if I told you that you can begin your investing journey with only $100 in your pocket? Yes, just a single hundred can open the door to financial growth if you use it wisely. This isn't about gambling in the market or chasing overnight success. It's about learning how to make small, smart moves that build real wealth over time. Whether you're a student, an employee, or simply someone tired of waiting for the right moment, this video is your simple blueprint to start today. No excuses needed. The truth is, every great investor started with the same uncertainty you feel right now. They didn't wait for perfect timing, and they just took the first step and learned as they went. Even $100 can teach you lessons about money that no book ever could. It's not the amount that changes your life. It's the mindset that says, I'm ready to grow. When you invest that first small amount, you begin to see money not as something you spend, but as something you build. You stop being a watcher and become a creator of your financial future. The earlier you start, the more time your money gets to work silently for you. So if you've ever thought investing was out of your reach, this video will prove that your journey can begin today with just one bold, simple decision: the power of a small start. Every big investor began small. $100 might not look like much, but it's the seed that starts your money tree. The key isn't the amount, it's the habit. When you learn to invest small amounts consistently, you train your mind for discipline and patience. Think of that first $100 as your teacher. It shows you how money grows, how markets move, and how to handle risk without fear. Over time, that habit becomes your strongest asset. The truth is, people who master small beginnings often handle big success better later on. When you manage $100 wisely, you prepare yourself to manage $10,000 without panic or greed. Each dollar you invest builds confidence and understanding. It teaches you how to make money work for you instead of against you. That small start also removes fear because you realize you don't need to be rich to begin. Every time you add a little more, you're building consistency, the secret ingredient behind every millionaire's journey. A small start keeps your mistakes small too, so you can learn safely without losing much. Slowly, your confidence replaces confusion, and your plan replaces doubt. What once felt impossible begins to look achievable, all because you had the courage to start small and stay steady. Build your safety net. First, before investing, protect yourself. Set aside a little emergency fund, even $50 or $100, so you don't panic when unexpected expenses arrive. This safety net gives you the calm confidence to let your investments grow without fear of needing that money right away. Investing isn't just about profit, it's about peace of mind. A strong foundation lets you focus on growth, not survival. Think of your safety net as the helmet you wear before the ride. It doesn't stop the bumps, but it keeps you safe when they come. Life is full of surprises. A medical bill, a car repair, or a job delay, and that small fund acts like your invisible shield. When you know you have backup money, you stop making emotional financial decisions. You won't feel the urge to sell your investments early or quit when markets fall. That calmness is what separates smart investors from impulsive ones. Even saving a few dollars each week can quietly build this cushion over time. The goal isn't to have a huge amount. It's to have enough to breathe easy and keep moving forward. Once your foundation is solid, you'll be ready to invest with clarity, patience, and confidence. Choose platforms that welcome beginners. Gone are the days when investing was only for the wealthy. Today, dozens of apps and online brokers let you start with $1, $5, or $10. Look for platforms that charge low fees and allow fractional shares. That means you can own a small piece of big companies like Apple, Google, or Tesla. The goal isn't to impress anyone, it's to begin. Once you take that first step, you've already joined the small percentage of people who actually invest. Technology has made investing more accessible than ever before. You no longer need a fancy suit or a financial advisor to grow your money, just a smartphone and curiosity. Many beginner-friendly apps even guide you through each step, showing you where your money goes and how it grows. Some platforms offer free tutorials or practice accounts so you can learn without risk. Take advantage of those tools. They exist to help you build confidence before you invest real money. Don't get distracted by complicated charts or news headlines. Your goal right now is progress, not perfection. Even a simple app that lets you invest $10 a week is a powerful start. The more you explore, the more you realize that investing isn't a secret club. It's an open door waiting for you to step in. Learn before you leap. Knowledge is your best investment tool. Spend your first week learning instead of buying. Watch beginner investing videos, read simple guides, or follow trusted finance educators. Understand the difference between stocks, ETFs, and index funds. You don't have to master everything, just learn enough to make choices with confidence. Remember, every dollar you spend on knowledge multiplies its value when you start investing. Think of learning as building a map before your journey. It saves you from getting lost later. When you understand how money moves, you stop reacting to fear and start making decisions with purpose. Even 10 minutes of reading daily can change how you see opportunities. Don't rush to invest just because others are doing it. Move when you understand the why behind your choices. Every great investor, from Warren Buffett to beginners like you, started by studying the basics first. The more you learn, the more you realize that investing is not about luck. It's about logic and patience. Mistakes will still happen, but knowledge turns them into lessons, not losses. So before you leap, take a moment to learn, because the best returns always go to those who took the time to prepare. Think long-term, not lottery. Many beginners fail because they chase quick profits. Real wealth comes from holding good investments over time. If you invest your $100 in an index fund or a diversified ETF and keep adding small amounts monthly, you'll see growth through the power of compounding. It's like planting a seed. The longer it stays in the soil, the stronger it grows. The secret isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Short-term wins may look exciting, but long-term growth builds true freedom. When you invest with patience, your money doesn't just add up, it multiplies. Every extra month you stay invested gives your returns more time to grow on top of each other. That's how small investors quietly turn a few dollars into thousands over the years. The market will rise and fall, but those who stay steady always come out stronger. Don't treat investing like a race. Treat it like a journey where every step counts. When you focus on decades instead of days, fear fades and confidence takes its place. Remember, wealth doesn't reward speed. It rewards patience, discipline, and faith in your plan. Automate and forget. Set up an automatic plan, even $10 every week. When you automate, your emotions step out and discipline steps in. You'll stop overthinking when to buy and instead focus on consistency. Over months, those small deposits grow silently. You might not notice the change week to week, but one day you'll look back and realize your money has been working harder than you thought. Automation is like planting seeds on autopilot. Your garden grows even while you sleep. It removes hesitation, which is the biggest enemy of progress. Most people lose money not because they invest wrong, but because they stop too soon or keep changing their plans. Automation fixes that by keeping your path steady no matter what happens in the market. You no longer need to remember or second guess. Your system does it for you. Even if you forget about it for months, your money keeps building quietly in the background. That's the beauty of consistency. It rewards patience without asking for effort. Over time, your automated plan becomes your silent partner, growing your wealth while you focus on living your life. The mindset that changes everything. Investing isn't just about money. It's about mindset. When you choose to invest, even with $100, you declare that your future matters. You begin seeing every dollar as a worker instead of a wish. Each small investment builds your financial confidence, showing you that wealth isn't for others, it's for anyone willing to start and stay steady. Your mindset decides how far your money will go. If you believe growth is slow but possible, you'll stay long enough to see real change. But if you expect miracles overnight, you'll quit before progress begins. The moment you stop seeing investing as a risk and start seeing it as a responsibility, everything shifts. You become more patient, more aware, and more in control of your choices. That mindset teaches you to see opportunity in every paycheck, not just limitation. Even when results take time, your faith in the process keeps you grounded. Over time, this new way of thinking doesn't just change your finances. It changes your confidence, your habits, and your entire future. Building wealth, one step at a time. Remember, wealth doesn't arrive overnight. It grows through patience, learning, and consistent action. That first $100 is your starting point, not your limit. Reinvest your profits, keep saving, and watch how small actions turn into big change. Every great investor once had a moment like this, a moment when they decided to start, no matter how small. Every deposit, no matter how tiny, is a vote for your future self. The progress may feel slow at first, but each step compounds over time. What matters most isn't how much you earn, but how long you stay committed to your goal. Keep adding, keep learning, and let time do its magic. There will be days when results feel invisible, but remember, growth often happens silently. The habit you're building today will serve you for decades to come. Wealth isn't built in a single move. It's built through steady motion in the right direction. Stay patient, stay focused, and soon you'll realize the journey itself made you wealthier than the money ever could. Every investment journey starts with a single brave decision, and this could be yours. Don't wait for perfect conditions, they never come. The earlier you start, the sooner time starts working for you. Even the smallest step today can change your financial story tomorrow. So take that leap, commit to learning, and trust the process. You'll be amazed at what consistent effort can build over months and years. Your future self will thank you for every smart choice you make today. Remember, wealth doesn't reward those who wait, it rewards those who start. You don't need a fortune to start investing, and you just need courage, patience, and $100. Begin today, learn a little every week, and keep your focus long-term. If this video gave you clarity or motivation, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, practical lessons about money and investing. Share this with someone who's waiting for the right time to start. And remind them, the right time is now, and $100 is enough to begin.